This is you, a proud but very busy homeowner trying to survive in our modern jungle. The word cabinet is French and originally meant room. Clearly, the kitchen is an important part of your home. But where do you even start? Hi, I'm George from Handyman 007, and we would love to help you. Here are 7 things you should know before renovating your kitchen. 1. Manufactured and sold. 2. Materials used. 3. Kitchen countertops. 4. Kitchen backsplash. 5. Budgeting. 6. Design. And 7. Cost.
1. Manufactured and sold.
Stock cabinets are mass-produced, sold at many home improvement centers, and usually require some assembly. They are the least expensive option, but are available in limited materials, sizes, styles, and colors. Semi-custom cabinets are stock cabinets with a variety of extra details that help you personalize style and storage capabilities. If none of those choices are to your liking, Handyman 007 can build custom cabinets to your specification in the size, material, color, and finish. These orders have a longer production time and higher price than stock cabinets. Do you know that Fiore di Cristallo is hailed as the world's most expensive kitchen and cost $1.6 million?
2. Materials used.
Even though solid wood is prone to water damage and bug infestations, it is still popular in more traditional kitchens. You might be familiar with cherry wood, which is the most expensive of the common woods used in cabinetry. These days, people are becoming bolder when adding pops of color and tones. Medium-density fiberboard, or MDF, is a high-grade composite material constructed from recycled wood fibers and resins. MDF alone is not an adequate material for door and drawer fronts. It easily chips and does not take paint well. Due to this, MDF needs a solid, not liquid, protective covering. One option is thermofoil. Nowadays, melamine, particle board, and plywood are more commonly used. They are cost-effective and have higher water resistance than MDF. Each board is layered like a sandwich, and a plastic laminate or wood veneer coats the exterior surface for added protection.
3. Kitchen countertops.
There are 2 main categories of kitchen countertops. Laminate countertops are durable enough to withstand daily use in the home. They are non-porous materials, so they are not susceptible to scratches, water damage, and stains. On average, laminate countertops cost between $20 to $50 per square foot and was once considered the cheapest option that you could find, which would be an excellent fit for your home. However, due to new technology and a large selection of colors, finishes, textures, and sheen to choose from, laminate countertops are no longer considered as the cheapest option. The most common natural stone used to make countertops are granite, marble, and quartz. Michelangelo sculpted famous marble sculptures like Aphrodite of Milos, David, Moses, and Pieta. Marble and granite are quarried from the earth in their natural state and sliced into slabs for use in homes. The most famous marble in the world comes from Italy, specifically the Carrara region. Both granite and marble are porous. Without a seal, liquids will penetrate and stain. Granite is harder than marble, therefore it is more resistant to chips and scratches. It is also less expensive than marble, starting at roughly $75 per square foot installed, compared to $100 per square foot installed for marble. Natural quartz crystals are mined, ground into dust, fused with resin binders and pigments, and pressed into slabs. Quartz countertops are non-porous, which means they will not absorb moisture and liquids. They remain relatively bacteria-free. They are in the same price range as natural stones, but they are harder and more durable. You should keep in mind that heat easily damages quartz countertops. All the natural stone countertops must be measured and cut only after the kitchen cabinet installation.
4. Kitchen backsplash.
Tiles are the mainstay of kitchen backsplashes. They could be ceramic, porcelain, glass, or natural stone. A glossy tile can look brighter and more polished. It hides water spots and fingerprints better than a matte tile. Larger tiles means less grout and is better for cleaning. Semi-gloss or gloss finishes are usually the most durable. Using white or light colors on both walls and cabinets help to reflect light and make the kitchen feel bigger. If you choose to go with natural stone, choose a tile that has veins or spots of color that match the colors of the countertop.
5. Budgeting.
Remodeling is like pulling a loose thread on a cheap sweater. The job keeps unraveling. However, there are cost-effective options to choose from. Some suggestions include keeping the same kitchen layout, avoid relocating plumbing and electrical, as well as keeping the style and color schemes simple. Other things to keep in mind are choosing a timeless style. Kitchen cabinets are expected to last up to 50 years. Place orders between January to May. Select subway tiles instead of marble or glass tiles. Consider laminate or thermofoil doors instead of solid wood. Replace some of the wall cabinets with open shelving units. Instead of stone countertops, go with laminate. All in all, customize less and avoid any extras, especially during the middle of the project. For knobs, pulls, and handles, you can spend as much as you desire. This cabinet jewelry can cost as little as $1 to $100 a piece. Soft close is already common hardware and inexpensive. However, if your budget is tight, try to avoid preferences for push-to-open trays or pull-out shelves and cabinets. The cheapest route is to simply reface them, which costs between $75 and $150 per door.
6. Design.
Before choosing a design, you should start by asking yourself, what is the size of the appliances and sink? And if you want the cabinet to be flush to the ceiling or leave a gap between the cabinets and ceiling. Two-tone cabinets are a hot trending design these days. They create visual interest and even make a small kitchen appear more spacious. Darker cabinets tend to hold up better to wear and tear. The most popular kitchen cabinet color by far is white. White or light colors on both walls and cabinets reflect light and can make the kitchen look bigger. Your backsplash tile doesn't have to mirror the color of your countertop or cabinets, but it should blend and harmonize with the rest of the features in the kitchen. Some good neutral colors for your kitchen cabinets include white, gray, and greige, a mix of gray and beige. Modern kitchen designs have improved due to ergonomic research, functionality being very important. Do you know what Rococo-style furniture is? It was created in Louis XV France and was based on asymmetrical design, sinuous lines, and was much lighter than Baroque architecture, which is serious and heavy.
7. Cost.
The most expensive cabinet ever sold was auctioned for $36 million in 2004. It was made in Italy in 1726 and took 6 years to complete. It now sits in a museum in Vienna. We can install stock cabinets already bought by you from the hardware stores. For this type of work, we charge by the hour as a handyman service. You can check our hourly rates listed on our website. For making and supplying custom cabinets, there are a few steps. First, you should contact us by phone or email and tell us more about your project. If details and pictures are provided, we can put together a rough estimate. If we meet your budget, a visit to your home would be scheduled to take the exact measurements of your cabinetry to provide a final and accurate price. You can also have a look at the physical samples we would provide. Now that you have your order placed, how long will you have to wait until the cabinets are ready? It mostly depends on the finishes chosen. We make the cabinets in Toronto, but most of the materials are shipped from overseas. For popular finishes, the lead time is 30 to 60 days and longer for special orders. The cost per linear foot can be anywhere between $100 for stock cabinets to $1,000 for high-end custom cabinets. Cabinets for the exact same kitchen can cost $8,000 or $20,000, depending on the design options alone. Being general contractors, we can take care of the other aspects of your kitchen remodeling, such as walls, floors, plumbing, or electrical work, which would be quoted separately. How can you book a job? For small projects, we charge by the hour. Please check our rates on our website. Schedule a visit at the time of your convenience by booking online, emailing, or calling us. For medium and large size jobs, we can provide quotations. You can make your quotation more accurate by sending us pictures and details. We'll be fast, reliable, and efficient. Now the job is done. You see, it wasn't so complicated. You can relax, watch a movie, bond with the family, or plan your future vacation. For other renovation projects, check out our other videos for painting, tiling, and hiring a handyman.